Yes, my peeps, it there. Recipe ready now. Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today: some sweet corn and egg. Remember to like and share. It's a recipe I got nice. Remember, sweet corn and egg. Like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe I got eatable, tasty. Alright, my peeps. Alright, breakfast time. Recipe: some sweet corn and egg. You can see pepper there, the garlic, onion, scallion, and see bread there. And here some I have some mint and orange peel. I don't like the milk tea, right? I like my green bush tea. So please to like and share. It's a recipe I got delicious. Remember, egg and sweet corn. Like and share. Recipe I got eatable, tastable. Alright my peeps, see what I go on outside me there. See what I go on? You can see clearly. Alright. Set on the pot like this. Keep one hot. You can see, I'm going to add some oil to the pot, right? Starting by cleaning up my onion there. Right, these 4 eggs, see? So mix well, right? Remember, sweet corn and egg in it. It's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Alright, my peeps, see the preview there. You can see onion and pepper cut up there, and the garlic and the scallion. You can see sweet corn, see the egg here. You have some spice right there, right? So we're going to add these to the pot, right? So we're going to stir well, right? Yeah. The recipe I got nice one. Remember, sweet corn and egg in it. So we're going to add the egg to it, right? We're going to add some spice to it now. You can see. The recipe I got nice one. Remember, sweet corn and egg. Like and share. Yeah man, this stuff eatable, you know. Sweet corn and egg. Alright my peeps, see the finishing product here, you can see? Yeah. These are the finishing product. Sweet corn and egg. Alright? Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Recipe are eatable, man. Peeps, yeah, my peeps, you can see sweet corn and egg ready outside. Remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, my peeps outside, you know? Yeah. It's pretty nice. Eatable. Seriously.